Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your academic success with University of Phoenix, full guide step by step clearly. Start by defining what academic success means to you. Consider your personal and professional goals. Research the programs offered by the University of Phoenix. Identify a program that aligns with your career aspirations. Enroll in an informational session to learn more about your chosen program. Review the admission requirements thoroughly. Prepare your application with all necessary documents. Submit your application well before the deadline. Once accepted, familiarize yourself with the online learning platform. Schedule your courses to ensure a manageable workload. Connect with academic advisors who can guide your academic journey. Engage with your professors and participate actively in class discussions. Utilize available resources, such as tutoring services and libraries. Form study groups with classmates to enhance collaboration. Set specific academic goals each semester. Track your progress regularly to stay motivated. Seek feedback on assignments to improve your skills. Utilize time management techniques to balance studies and personal life. Take advantage of networking opportunities provided by the university. Participate in workshops or webinars that focus on academic success skills. Reflect on your learning experiences regularly to identify areas for growth. Adjust your study strategies based on what works best for you. Stay persistent and don't hesitate to seek assistance when needed. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Continue building connections with alumni for future opportunities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.